Hi guys, it's Maaike. I'm back for the AAA birthday card challenges. It's number 44, Embossing, and seeing it's December 5th, I thought I'd make it into a winter birthday card, because, you know, birthday challenges, has to be a birthday card, but embossing could be any kind of embossing that you fancy. I went for heat embossing. I tried dry embossing, I tried scoring, I've tried embossing paste, didn't like any of it, so I left it until the last minute to come up with an idea. Now I have many embossing powders from WOW, and I went for transparent blue ones in an ombre like effect, and I only remember Blue Topaz, Blue Lagoon and Beautiful. The other one, I don't know, doesn't matter because I don't even know if they're still available. Just use what you have. You can do gold and silver as well if you want, or clear and ink blend on top of them, or white and or glitter. I'm just here to give you ideas. Now usually the sentiment or the challenge runs for a month, but now it's longer because of December. And actually December 5th is Sinterklaas, which is a holy man that comes bring gifts if you're nice. And if you're naughty, you get coal, or taken away. Just scaring kids into behaving, I guess. But I've pulled out a few of my snowflakes. I like the MFT one. It's very old, you can see it already discolored. I got it like that on clearance. I think the shop had it in the daylight a bit too much, but that's okay. It still works. And these are Nelly Snellen, and I have a few other ones. I wanted to go from dark to light in my embossing, and I also wanted to go from big to small, but I had to pull out other ones. And you don't need snowflake sets per se. The MFT I didn't use that much, just a really tiny one that was too solid. Didn't look like a snowflake in the end, but I left it in. There are sets, I'll show them to you later, that are winter or Christmas theme that have small images included. And the brand is okay, you don't have to do it. It's not as clean and simple like the normal AAA, which I want to film again for next year. I just need to get my myself into gear, I want to say. But I have other things on my mind at the moment. My birthday is in 2 weeks. And and then Christmas, and that's why I kind of want to have everything done before December. I haven't even started on my Christmas cards at the moment that I film this, and that's the beginning of November, so shame on me. But there you go. And Blue Lagoon, Blue Topaz, I think. There's so many blue ones, you can use whatever you want. I tried to show them, but it didn't focus, and I sped it up, so you probably won't be able to read it. And I already put them away again. I didn't check if they were still available, because I have too many to do this all the time. Just use what you have, or use ink. You don't, but you know, with embossing, you could just emboss the sentiment, which I did in silver. And I know this one is the Papermania Superfine Silver. And I did that because of the daintiness of the Whimsy Stamp Simple Sentiment strips. That's beautiful. You can see it's a bit different, but it still went. And as I say, you can do them in sparkly white. It would be nice if you want it to be really subtle. You just gave me an idea for my Christmas card. If you ink blend on top of glitter, be careful, because your ink blending foamy won't like that very much. See, I pulled a few more small ones. Thought I wanted to fill it in a little bit more, but I thought, I pulled out 3 colors. I used all the 3 colors, what I'm going to do now, so I left it. Could have done white, but happy birthday is also heat embossed, of course. I thought the light blue wouldn't show up very well, and dark blue didn't make sense with the ombre that I created, so I went with silver, which is also very, I don't know, elegant. But yeah, I'm just here to give you an ideas and to let you know that the challenge is open for about a month now because of Christmas. And you have plenty of time to play along if you don't have the time to do it now. I don't have kids, so I don't celebrate Sinterklaas. My birthday, no. And then a week later it's Christmas, and then of course New Year's Eve. That also, like, I'm boring. I used to sow my chili peppers on my birthday or between Christmas and New Year's Eve, or on Christmas and New Year's Eve if I felt like it, because I needed to start my growing season indoors. I don't have a greenhouse, so I don't do that anymore, but I might try and keep them indoors this year. Anyway, I'm just blabbling along, a bit of foam tape. And I hope you will join us. The links to the blog is down below, and I hope to see you again soon. I intend to film all the AAA card challenges again, so bear with me. The energy escapes me. So thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye.